Ready to unlock a world of amazing African movies and TV series right on your Samsung Smart TV? First things first, grab your Samsung Smart TV remote. We are going to navigate the home screen. Look for the apps icon. It usually looks like 4 squares. Use the remote to select and open the apps section. Now you're in the Samsung App Store. Head up to the search bar. It will be at the top of your screen. Use your remote to select the search bar. Time to type in Waka TV. Use the on-screen keyboard and type Waka TV into the search bar. Once you've typed it in, hit enter or select the search icon. You should see the Waka TV app appear in the search results. It has a distinctive icon to help you identify it. Select the Waka TV app to open its details page. You will see the install button on this page. Select install to begin downloading the app. The app will now download and install onto your TV. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Waka TV app icon on your home screen. Select the icon to launch the app. And that's it. You've successfully installed Waka TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Now you can explore a vast library of incredible African movies and TV shows. Enjoy.